Hi you guys. So today we're going to be doing a video on digital footprint and the reputation that goes along with that. So pretty much your digital footprint is the information about you that exists on the internet as a result of your online activity. So it's pretty much the trail that you leave behind, like from things you've either posted or looked up in your, just free time, Google or anything like that. Um, do you think that like things like Snapchat and Facebook and anything like that can't get back to them, and they think it just goes away once they post it, and if they delete it, they think it goes away forever. But it's not the case. Really, what happens is it just stays in the internet in the cloud. If anybody wants to look it up, they can. Not as much on Snapchat, but other websites they can for sure. And if you're gonna get a job in a few years, that's probably not the best thing to be to be seen for you. Um, so pretty much, I pretty much said this before that if you don't want your parent to see it, then you probably should be posting it, or just looking it up or anything along those lines. So really, I would just say be mindful about what you're posting and what you're looking up on the internet, because a footprint is really something that you should keep in the back of your mind. So thank you.